Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Hurricane Dorian special. Hurricane Dorian special, you feel me? Hurricane about to hit, but I'm on my grind because my YouTube uploading schedule is ass, dog. Ass as fuck. Like, when it comes to the YouTube shit, I'm not really that serious about it, but like, I mean, a nigga be doing shit. And I like editing, and I can do shit like this.
I need a perk 10, I need a perk 30. I don't give a motherfucker if it's 10:30. I need a bad bitch with a big birdie. Big birdie. Talking about bitch, I need a big booty. I need to toot it up, back it up. Fuck you mean, bitch, I never caddy truck. Brand new, 26. Fuck you mean, bitch, the rims 26. In the club, bitch, with the look, I'm a motherfucking man, bitch, I'm him. Stop playing, little bitch, with that him. Fuck around and get some of this Kim, this bitch.
But yeah, man, today I got questions, I guess, nigga. Public interviews? That's what they call? I guess what they call it. But yeah, man, shit, let's start the video. So we with
Jethro, you feel me? Hey,
your Instagram?
Hey, my Instagram, Jet ain't shit, underscore, I think.
I got you.
You feel
Hey,
me?
don't forget the X, you feel me?
Hey, we with?
You with Said, you feel me? Cecil LaFleur on Instagram, follow me.
Say your name.
Said.
Okay, Said. So, if M-U-L-Y spells Mully, C-U-L-Y spells Tully, what does J-U-L-Y spell? Fuck!
There's the dumbass.
Alright, since you wanna be smart, my nigga, check me out. There's a dragonfly.
Right.
It run out 47 miles per hour. That shit run. I'm telling you, that shit sprinting, right? It's an ostrich running out 45 miles per hour. Who runs faster?
The ostrich, because dragons don't run. I mean, dragonflies don't run. They fly.
You smart.
This nigga know too much, bro. This nigga know too much, bro.
When he was like the dragonfly,
This nigga lost
I'm like, dragonflies don't run, they fly.
This nigga, get the fuck out of my video, nigga.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I think we supposed to be dumbing this. I'm like, what the hell?
This nigga know everything. All right. Can I get a rock?
5 minutes later.
Man, that show's too
All right,
funny.
so imagine there's a sea. Turn around for the sea. The sea.
All right, let's see.
The sea is orange, right? Orange soda. Let's call it the fantasy. You see that shit? Fantasy, my nigga?
Yeah.
You be a rapper, but why you here?
Yeah.
But I'm not a rapper.
Anyways, and the fantasy, everything inside of it is orange, my nigga. Everything, like the fishes. You pull a fish out, it's orange. You pull a rock out, it's orange. You pull anything out, no homo. Pull anything out, it's orange. This rock right here is white. I threw into the fantasy.
Oh, I thought that nigga actually threw that shit.
You see that? Voodoo, nigga, voodoo.
Oh, I thought he
I threw the rock into the fantasy. Yeah. What happened to the rock? I pulled it out the water. What happened to the rock?
It's still a rock.
It's still
What happened to it though?
It's still the
What
same
happened
color
to it?
though.
I pulled out the fish. It was orange. What happened to the rock?
It stays the same color.
Yeah.
What happened?
It stays the same
You know
color.
why?
No,
It was your fantasy.
my nigga, you too deep into this shit.
Relax.
Bro, it's a question. No, what you talking about?
Stay woke.
All right. Since the fish is orange,
Okay.
fishes live in water.
Okay.
So you feel me?
It's orange.
It has to adapt to the.
So I threw it. I'm gonna put it in the water, right? Right? It's orange, right? Now I pull it out. What happened to the rock?
It's still the same
It's
color.
still the same color.
My nigga, what happened to the rock?
I just told you,
Nothing.
What happened to the rock?
It's wet.
You smart.
Yeah. He right. He got it. It's wet, my nigga. It's wet.
Wow.
That's lame, huh?
What the fuck?
So today I'm here with. All right. So I got a peacock at my house, right? And the peacock lays eggs. All right. Each egg costs $37. All right. Peacock, big ass peacock. You feel me? My peacock ran away from me and laid eggs in my neighbor's yard. He laid 10 eggs. All right. So how much is the eggs worth in total?
Each egg is $37.
Say it again.
Oh shoot! All right. Each egg is $37. The peacock, 10.
10 eggs.
And all, like in total?
Yes, 10. $37
Isn't that like
worth.
370?
Okay. So whose eggs is it? It's my eggs, my neighbor's eggs.
I mean, it was in his backyard. So.
You got me fucked up.
Whoa, it's my eggs though. It's my peacock.
Yeah, but it was in his backyard.
But
Who is it? Who else been on it?
the neighbor?
Can I tell you something though? You're stupid.
you dumb as fuck.
I was gonna say that, but
I don't hear that. You don't want to hear that. We ain't trying to hear that shit. We not trying to hear that. 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 We not trying to hear that.
Yes, what was the peacock gonna do with the money? So I said the neighbor.
You said the neighbor, but who laid the eggs? The peacock.
Okay, but what is the peacock gonna do with the money?
What happened?
It dyed the rock, right?
How it died the rock?
With the orange water.
How it died the rock?
You know when you put food coloring in water, right?
Who said it's food color? It's the ocean. How's the same color? Why is it the same color?
Because
Since you want to be smart. Since you want to be smart.
Because that's like the ocean.
What happened to the rock?
It's like the
What happened to the rock?
It's wet.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so smart.
You smart. Look at you. All right. Since you're so smart, name the 5 oceans.
Pacific, Atlantic.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Indianic.
What? Whoa! Wait a minute. What? What? Wait. Say it again.
Indianic. No, that's not an ocean.
You want to know the answer?
No. Pacific, Atlantic.
3 more. 3 more.
They're not helping me. What the fuck?
Can we get the oceans? Can we get the oceans? Oh my God. Let me ask somebody.
Earth. There's only one ocean, bro. It's Earth.
You can't be serious, man. You cannot be serious.
Come on, y'all.
Come here. I need y'all real quick. I need y'all. Can you name the 5 oceans for me?
What you say? 5 oceans?
5 oceans.
But stop playing me.
I give you $1, my nigga.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian. That's all I know.
Wow.
My nigga. That's at 5. Hey, you got it, bro. I got $1 on me right now.
Atlantic, Indian.
How about Indianic? Indianic Ocean.
Indiana
that's
Ocean.
not an
Okay. North Pole Ocean.
Definitely not an ocean.
Okay, what we got?
Those are seas, big guy said.
Oh,
Look at my video, my nigga.
Get out of here, man. Shit.
Yeah. Y'all wanna know you wanna know the answers, my nigga? Okay, we got the Pacific. We got the Atlantic. We got the Indian Ocean. We got. No. We got the Arctic Ocean, and we got the Southern Ocean. Yeah, my nigga.
5 minutes later.
Hey, this hurricane is not playing no games. But
Hurricane better
if
come
the hurricane
through,
doesn't
baby.
come, this video is gonna be up there. And y'all look dumb as fuck already, so I mean, y'all got nothing to lose. But yeah, man, follow my boys. Follow my niggas. Follow my niggas.
Hey,
Edson.
Solo Flair, you feel me?
Hey,
out our money.
Hey, man, Jet ain't shit. You feel me? Follow that nigga, bro.
feel me?
He ain't shit.
What we drink? What do we
Straight like
drink?
that.
What do we drink?
Straight like that.
What do we drink, my nigga? What do we
Tampico,
Yes,
bitch.
sir.
Tampico.
Drink
all
that
day
shit.
right
Now
here.
we out of this.
So shit.
Hey, we out of here.
Wait, one interview. Look at the fit.
Are we doing an interview?
This is behind the scenes shit.
Behind the scenes, you feel me?
But you still can use footage if you need to.
I'm gonna like, you know,
Go for SGA?
nah. Since you wanna be smart, nigga. All right, since you wanna be smart.
Oh, man. You about to make me catch a rock, bro?
Alright, no, hell no. Ready?
Coach trying to take me to build a 15?
Ready? Ready, recording?
Later that same evening.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
What's actually crazy about the situation, it was really later that same evening. Anyways, so I'm gonna give you a little quick rundown of what was going on. So it was lunch, and we saw these group of people arguing back and forth from a distance. So the girl in the braids pulls up on the white girl and talks about, so what you really about to do? And the kid in the jean shorts, in the John Cena shorts, the jorts, pulls up and gets in between everything. And just watch how this dude acts. It's ridiculous, man.
Nigga, damn.
Hey, let's see that bitch.
all over here. Bro, I don't hit girls, but move. I got respect. Move. Move, bitch. I swear I'm sticky, bro. Bro.
See how this wastes your time? Yeah, because the same thing happened to me. Yeah, man, I sat here like the whole lunch period, waited for them to fight, and this is what all happened. This is the only thing that happened. So yeah, lesson learned. Do not instigate fights with freshmen, because it goes nowhere. Like, dude, what was the point, bro? What was the point of arguing for this just to happen? You wanted ISS, bro? Like, dude, you contradicted yourself by fighting a woman 3 times. He said, oh, you lucky I'm not sticking you in your shit. But then later said I had respect for women. Man, these shit don't make sense anymore.